Alex, how's it looking?
Harriet, yes, we're looking dry out there, Harriet. Lots of sunshine today, and on the next few days it is staying dry, but it will be a little cooler and cloudier over the coming days, particularly on Thursday, but no sign of any rain on the forecast. However, to the south we've had an area of low pressure, and that's brought some thunderstorms across the south coast, but for us we will miss them and we'll see more dry and sunny weather for the afternoon. Up to 25 degrees inland, but go further onto the North Norfolk coast, just 16 degrees, and with that onshore breeze it will feel a little chillier than that, but plenty of sunshine to come for the rest of the day. Into the evening and overnight it stays dry, a lot of clear skies out there, so there could just be the odd mist patch as we start the day tomorrow. Now temperatures will be a little bit lower than last night, so it could get down to around 5 or 6 degrees in one or two spots, so a little cool as we start the day, but high pressure is still with us. We start to have more of a northerly direction to the wind, so that will mean temperatures are going to be pulled back a little over the next couple of days, and we could also see some North Sea cloud, particularly for coastal areas for tomorrow, so places like Norfolk down into Suffolk. But plenty of sunshine elsewhere, temperatures a little lower than today, again cooler on the coast, down across the south around 21 degrees with more sunshine to come for the rest of the day. And looking ahead to Friday, this is our area of high pressure, still that northerly wind, so those temperatures are not going to climb as high as they have done today, but still pleasant for the time of year. Thursday looks like our anomaly with a little bit more cloud around those brisk northerly winds bringing in that North Sea cloud. So for many of us, temperatures may not get past the mid-teens, but then they climb again for the end of the week and into the weekend. So around 18 to 20 degrees, plenty of sunshine out there, but certainly a brisk north to northeasterly wind at times. And in terms of overnight temperatures, tonight a little chilly and looking chilly on Thursday night once that cloud clears, but nothing that will bring us any frosts. Harriet.
Thanks, Alex. That's right. Weather. It's just more of the same at the moment,
keeps on bringing us
isn't it?
more sunshine, doesn't it, Susie? Certainly looking lovely out there today. Plenty of blue sky and sunshine, and it was warm as well. Temperatures got to 23 degrees. On the coast, though, places like Overstrand here, much chillier. Temperatures 15 degrees with that northeasterly wind. And this photograph captured by a weather watcher in Suffolk, a reminder of just how dry it has been. In fact, some of the official recording stations have had no measurable rain for about 3 weeks, and this spring is looking like it is going to be the driest on record in the UK. So it stays dry for the rest of the week, and it will be a little cooler and cloudier over the next few days, particularly on Thursday, and chillier overnight tonight. We have had an area of low pressure to our south, and that brought some thunderstorms across the south coast, but for us it stayed dry, and it will do so through this evening and overnight with a lot of clear sky out there. Winds will ease down from the northeast, and we could just see the odd mist patch forming, so temperatures could be quite chilly. Values in towns and cities down to around 5 or 6 degrees, could be just locally a little lower than that as we start the day tomorrow, but plenty more sunshine to come. This is where our high pressure is tomorrow, extending down across us. A northeasterly wind still will be a feature of the weather, and that will hold temperatures back on the coast. It also could bring a little bit more cloud into parts of Norfolk along that coastline, in down towards Suffolk as well. But elsewhere where we get the sunshine, it will be warmer, temperatures around 20 or 21 degrees, but a little cooler than it has been today. Not a lot of change, so this is Thursday's pressure pattern. And for Thursday itself, with that northeasterly, we'll see quite a lot of North Sea cloud moving in. So it looks as though Thursday morning could be fairly cloudy, and that will hold our temperatures back quite a bit. So I think the anomaly with our weather through this week will be Thursday, with cooler temperatures 14 to 16 degrees, brighter into the afternoon with some sunshine. And then as we look for the rest of the week, we don't see any sign of rain. A brisk northerly wind, that's just going to hold the temperatures back a little bit, although they do start to climb again into the weekend. And in terms of overnight temperatures, our lowest value on the chart around 4 Celsius. Susie.
Alex, thank you very much.
Hello, there's no sign of any rain over the next few days, and in fact a settled weather pattern will continue. Overnight tonight it could be a bit cooler than last night with a lot of clear sky out there. Temperatures perhaps 4 or 5 degrees as we start the day tomorrow. So still very settled weather conditions with high pressure over the top of us. A northerly wind will make it feel a little cooler through the day, particularly on the coast where temperatures will be held back. Elsewhere in the sunshine, 20, perhaps 21 degrees. And in terms of cloud cover, it could just turn a little bit cloudier across parts of Norfolk towards the end of the day. And it looks cloudier across the board for Thursday. A fair bit of cloud for the morning, brighter for the afternoon. Temperatures a little cooler, but it'll warm up for the end of the week, although there will still be a brisk northerly wind.